In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my orders on Dressx. To get started, open the official Dressx website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the Login option, usually located near the top of the page, and select it to continue. This will take you to the sign-in screen, where you can access your account and view your purchase information. Next, sign in using the method connected to your Dressx account. You can enter your email address and password, or if you originally used a quicker sign-in method, choose the Google or Apple option instead. Make sure you use the same account you used when placing the order, since your order history will only appear under that specific login. After you're signed in, open your profile or account section. This area usually contains your personal settings, account details, and purchase history. Take a moment to look through the available menu options until you find a section labeled Orders, Order History, or something similar that refers to your past purchases. Once you locate your Orders section, open it to view the list of purchases associated with your account. Dressx keeps order information connected to customer accounts, and it also sends purchase confirmations and invoices, so this section is typically the main place to check your order activity. From there, click or tap on the specific order you want to review. This will open the detailed order page, where you can check important information such as the item you purchased, the order date, and any available status updates or related details. If you've made multiple purchases, this is the easiest way to confirm that you're looking at the correct one. If you don't see the order inside your account, the next step is to check your email. Search for your Dressx order confirmation, since Dressx uses email to send purchase confirmations and other service-related messages. This can be especially helpful if you're unsure which account was used during checkout, or if the order page isn't showing what you expected. If your order includes a physical product, you may also be able to view shipping information. Open the order details or the shipping confirmation email and look for any available tracking information. That can help you see whether the order has shipped and where it is in the delivery process. And that's how to check your orders on Dressx. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to find your purchase details quickly and review any available status or shipping updates with ease.